Deodorizing a sofa involves a few simple steps that can be done with household items. Firstly, remove all the loose debris and vacuum the sofa thoroughly. After that, sprinkle a layer of baking soda over the sofa, which works well in absorbing odors. Are you tired of your sofa smelling like your pet or last night's dinner? Don't worry. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to deodorize your sofa using simple household items. So, let's get started and make your sofa smell fresh and clean again. First things first, we need to clear out any debris on the sofa. Remove all cushions, pillows, and blankets. Use your hands to pick up any visible debris like crumbs or pet hair. Now, grab your vacuum cleaner and get ready to give your sofa a thorough cleaning. Don't forget to use the brush attachment for those hard-to-reach spots and crevices. Make sure to vacuum all sides of the cushions too. This step is crucial as it removes any dirt or dust that could contribute to the bad odor. Now, it's time to work some magic with the help of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber and will help neutralize any unpleasant smells. Simply sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda all over your sofa, including the cushions and armrests. Be sure to cover every inch of the fabric, as this will ensure the best results. Let the baking soda sit on your sofa for at least 20 minutes, or even better, leave it overnight if possible. Once the baking soda has had time to work its magic, it's time to vacuum it up. Use your vacuum cleaner to remove all traces of baking soda from your sofa. Make sure to go over the entire surface multiple times to ensure all the baking soda has been removed. And there you have it. Your sofa should now smell fresh and clean. If you still notice any lingering odors, simply repeat the process. From now on, you can enjoy a fresh-smelling sofa without having to spend a fortune on professional cleaning services. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy your newly deodorized sofa.